So yeah, y'all, I joined the gym yesterday, January 31st. I'm tired of making excuses. I needed a change of pace, needed a change of scenery, so I rejoined for the third time Planet Fitness, and I came here straight from Instacart. I changed into my clothes, so we get ready to get into this workout. I just thank each and every one of y'all for joining me on my weight loss journey. So let's get into it. So I have my J Scope fitness belt, and when I tell y'all have to get one of these. Got my water bottle and I got my headphones. So let's get into this workout, baby. When I tell y'all this machine right here was the business, like I did 1,366 steps. My Apple Watch was recognizing this as an elliptical, but it really wasn't elliptical. You were sitting down, but yes, those steps, 75 calories burned. This machine was by far the one that really gave me the business. Like this machine right here, this bike out. Oh my goodness, my thighs was burning like so bad, but I was not playing. And this is not meant for nobody that got no dog in the trunk. My butt was hurting so bad. I'm like, girl, you better not give up. And this is my summary of this machine. I was doing like 15 minutes on each machine, but I'm more so just glad that I came here straight from Instacart. Like that shows determination right there. Oh, this machine right here was really, really, really good on my legs. Working on that cellulite, all that cellulite. Like I did probably about 30 reps on her. Like this is really, really good for your thighs and your calves. So yes, I was putting in workout. I was not playing. Request my chariot to get ya. The doors OPEN. Take that high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.